So we're going to be showing you guys how to put the Echo Speed Feed Head 400 on this Husqvarna 122L string trimmer. It has the T25 string trimmer. This also will work with the Shindawa heads and the Shakespeare heads, and probably one of those like really popular rapid replace heads from Husqvarna. But this is the Echo Speed Feed Head. This is the only one I could find right now. I didn't go with what you'll need to do. First tool you'll need is like a small screwdriver, a nail, or something that is pretty thick on the end so you can put it in a hole. The hole is right here on your Husqvarna. This is on a Husqvarna only string trimmer, but these Echo Speed Feed Heads will work on every known string trimmer, troy-bilt, all of them. You might have to do some minor modifications. Put that screwdriver in the back of here behind the sprocket and make sure you find the little lockup for the string trimmer head, and just start twisting the old head off of here. You may want to clean this up once this falls down. Okay, you want to keep this. If it's dirty you can blow it off, but you have to replace that back on there. From this, all you'll need is the string trimmer bump head. You just need the string trimmer head. The threaded washer that's already in here will work on the Husqvarna. You don't have to do any more modification than that. We'll go over some of the washers or the nuts that go with this as well. The green one is for steel, so you got these little green threaded washers. Two of these little long ones, I think the silver one goes to Shindawa, and I don't know what these red ones go to. Maybe a troy-bilt or a home light or a Ryobi version, you know what I mean. But a lot of these other nuts are for other brands of string trimmers. When you put it on the universal kit, this is the green one for sure. I know is the washer that goes to the nut, threaded nut that goes to, or adapter, whatever you want to call it, to the steel. If you've got a steel, you use that one. And you take all the guts out of here and just push this out, the threaded washer out that's in it now, because that's designed for Echo. And then put it in here and then close it all back up, and then you'll need the washer for the Husqvarna and for the steel. So take out the washer. Now when it's facing down like this, you want to put this on like this for the Husqvarna. For steel, you want to flip it upside down and replace it with the green washer. If you got an Echo, you don't even need the small plastic washer for this, so keep that in mind. So we're going to put this side on the washer right here and put this back on the machine like that, and we will put the key back in here. Now I gotta hold this washer back up because I dropped it. Hopefully we can get this back on this side here. You know what? I just wanted to get that started, but let me tell you guys, this is not easy to do. Again, this is not easy to do. I've done this before, but sometimes you gotta hold the stupid washer up on there where it clicks into the head. I'm just holding this right here for now until I get it locked up in there. Okay, now let's see if we can lock that in there now. There it goes. Now we locked it up in there. You want to get this thing in here tight, y'all. Tight as a mofo. Okay, that's good enough. Alright guys, that's how you put on the the Echo speed feed head with the Husqvarna. We replace it's a brand new one. It's a 25 head. I just don't like having to take it apart. I like being able to speed feed head something while I'm on the fly. Just take one whole piece of line, you stick it through here, you find these little, you know, you just turn it until you can see through both sides in the light while you're out string trimming, and feed one piece of whole line through there, and then, you know, walk backwards, and then, you know, get them tip to tip even, and then start cranking it in. These auto speed feed heads are great, either the rapid replace or the Echo speed feed heads. But guys, that's how you put one on a Husqvarna. The only downside about putting them on Husqvarnas is it leaves this like little gap, and I don't like these because of that. But with the it don't do that with the rapid replace heads on Husqvarnas. But it's a good replacement head for a traditional T25 head that you have to pull apart and, you know, thread line on it and then slap it back, because these get hot. They're hard to pull apart, you know, sometimes when you're running them all day. These are not so much. I mean, yeah, then there's a huge aftermarket for replacement parts for the Echo speed feed heads. Okay guys, I hope you liked the video. Please hit the like, share, and subscribe. Tell me what you think. It's been your old pal Hondo out.